Unit 3, Lesson 3.5, Exercise Question number 7. When you're adding these three mixed numbers, you just simply add the whole number portion, but then when you add the fractional portion, like the 9/10, the 3/8, and the 3/4, you have to make sure that they are like fractions. So that means that they have to have the same denominator. So if you look at the denominators of 10, 8, and 4, you need to find their lowest common denominator. Now, the lowest common denominator is the lowest number that is divisible by 10, 8, and 4. If you were to work that out, you would find that the LCD of these three is 40. So I'm just going to rewrite the whole number portion and now rewrite that fractional portion as being over 40 as opposed to being over whatever it originally was. So I'm doing that for each of these three. Now I need to find the equivalent fraction for my new denominator. 10, well, to get from 10 to 40, I had to multiply by 4. So what I do to the denominator, I have to do to the numerator. So 9 times 4, 36. And I just write that there. To get from 8 to 40, I had to multiply by 5. So 3 times 5 is 15. And to get from 4 to 40, I had to multiply by 10, so 3 times 10 is 30. Now I have like fractions, I can just go ahead and start adding things. So with mixed numbers, remember I add the whole number portion first. So if I add 23 plus 12 plus 9, I will get 44. All right, I know that my denominator is going to be 40, and now I just need to add the numerator portions of each of these fractional parts. So 36 plus 15 plus 30 gives me 81. Now, this isn't a wrong answer, but it's not written in proper format because I have an improper fraction as my fractional portion. So I just need to change that. Now, 40 will go into 81 twice. So the way this works out is I take my original 44 and I add the 2 because 40 goes into 81 twice. I'm left over with 1 over that original denominator of 40. Now I can just combine these two. 44 plus 2 is 46 and just tack on that last fractional portion. So 46 and 1/40 is the answer to this question.